Hello everyone. In GISEC 2025, we are focusing on the future of autonomous cybersecurity. This is where we showcase in our booth and our stand what is the future of cybersecurity will be. The use of AI, agentic AI specifically, and how it can help drive a better autonomous SOC. We are showcase our solution capability where we show how AI now think like an experienced analyst, how it can take a decision, how can it really act in a smart way using things like iterative thinking, like detective reasoning. All of this capability you can witness live is not like a future planning. It's available today in our solution and you can see it in our demo. In addition, we are presenting mortal versus machine competition where one of our visitor can compete against our expert, and we every time it end up by one of the visitor is winning the competition because it's backed by AI solution where it provide extra capability, augment the shortage of skill set, and make them superior than our expert in cybersecurity. Looking forward to see you in our booth to see all of those capabilities. Part of our commitment to our customer is to lead the way to autonomous security. We use AI not as a feature, we use AI as a foundation to everything we are doing today. So what we provide to our customers today and organization, because we know how things like alert fatigue is really causing a lot of panic and issues to the cybersecurity team. Using AI now we can reduce this, we can eliminate the noise, we can make sure we give them the right data in a short and summarized way so they can put the right attention on what is really matter for them. Adding capability to save them time and put them ahead of the attacker, like auto triage, auto investigation, community verdict. So all this capability today will make the SOC team ahead of any attacks happening and be able to have a faster time to detect, faster time response, and better way to remediate if they got an incident or an attack. Agentic AI is really one of the new buzzwords in the market this year. And as we use it as a cybersecurity vendor, also adversaries using it to develop a more advanced malware, do advanced phishing, and be able to attack in a different smart way than it used to be. So we as a SentinelOne also using agentic AI to help our organization, our customers to be able to defend better against those kind of attack. So what we did recently, we added a capability in our solution where we have agentic AI framework can help the SOC team to think more smart, to detect things usually they will never detect with a traditional AI tool. Because what we used to have traditionally, we just collect data, analyze those data, see if there is any abnormal behavior, then we respond. Now what we are doing with the agentic AI, we collect this data and we find more evidence, we will collect more data and we ingest additional log, and then we think differently, conclude to something else, and then we keep iterating till we have a more accurate result. This is how agentic AI can help organizations to defend against the use of agentic AI by adversaries and attacker today. What we announced in RSA conference a few weeks ago is Purple AI Athena release, which really real implementation for how agentic AI should be. Think about a traditional SOC operation, how they used to work. Normal SOC analyst will see an alert, then will start taking an action. Experienced SOC analyst will see an alert, he will go get more detail, he will try to ingest additional log, he will try to look for different sources. He might ask a question, what happened before, what happened after? He doesn't see the big picture from the initial incident or the initial breach, so he keep iterating till he collect more evidence to reach to a conclusion, a solid conclusion. This is what we do today with Purple AI Athena. So it doesn't conclude for a result, it knows from day zero, we don't have the full picture, it keep collecting telemetry, it keep ingesting data, it keep building more confidence around the decisions we will take, and show this to the analyst team with less noise, with more confident of a real breach could be attacking the organization. And this is real now, and you can see it in Purple AI Athena release. a direction now for what they call it next generation SIEM, AI SIEM, and ready to know the power and benefit of those solutions, you need to look to the deficiency we used to have in the legacy SIEM. It was complex, not easy to scale, definitely performance issues, and it doesn't really give you the right context. It was just mostly storing the data and be able maybe for compliance, maybe for integration with another tool. It wasn't really helping that much. So what is happening now with the AI SIEM, we're overcoming those limitations in the legacy SIEM. So you can easily scale with less cost, with a better performance than it used to be. It has the right context to give you contextual incident response, so you can really take the right action when you have an incident. All those capabilities are available today in our AI SIEM solution to overcome any shortage could be in the traditional SIEM solution. One of the challenges security team facing in any organization is alert fatigue. They get 1,000 of alerts every day, every hours, and they need to manage and handle all of this. So we want to give them the right focus, the right alert to look at it. So one of the capability we added using our agentic AI, part of Purple AI Athena, is auto triage. We got all this log, we consolidated into the smaller number of log. We deduplicate the signals, and we just show to the security team what is really matter. So instead of spamming them by 1,000 of alert, we are just focusing in the most important alert. And with time, our AI tool learn and get more confident about the result it showed to the security team. And this is how agentic AI adapting and learning by itself to provide more confidence to the SOC operational team. And this is saving them a lot of time so they can focus on the incident or what is really matters than wasting their time in scanning and investigating 1,000 of irrelevant logs or alerts.